Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 GX. The Lexus GX is a luxurious SUV that provides plenty of hauling functionality with its third-row seating, but also the capability to take off-road. The GX lets you ride in style while still providing you with plenty of versatility. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires, front, on-off road. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.